Sanibonani sanibonani ma South Africa mahle sanibonani ma Africa mahle siyanibona lapha eLesotho siyanibona lapha eSwaziland siyanibona konke Africa bafethu. This is Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis shuffling Diski ringers. Namhlanje bafethu the episode yanamhlanje so ringa kakhulu nge title race. We check lapha phansi kumagesi imagesi nayo ngathi kunzima ukuthi iphume lapha yana ku relegation zone. And then we check Kaizer Chiefs been able to redeem themselves. Now useba ku number 4. And then the biggest team engifuna ukuthi si recognize currently kwamanje it's AmaZulu team kaAtazwane. They are sitting on third position, which is CAF Confederation Sport. Isikhukhune naso kulamaviki labo they've been dropping points. That's why AmaZulu say ngaphezulu kwabo seyihleli ku number 5 ku number 3 and isikhukhune sesu number 6. But before sizohlafuna zonke lezi ndaba niyazi bafethu ukuthi please share, like, hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates ezeJabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Ngivaya ngiyiwani ngiphethe uHlangu sikhokho sami esikhokhelayo ntwana asihlafune le ndaba yePSL. Sizoyikhuluma futhi ukuthi sayigcina 7 years ago or 6 years ago to see a league is so close and it looks like it will go
to the wire.
to the wires.
Hey, yeah, no, Ntwana, yeah, nami ke ngilochise. My name is Busiso Mahlangu, aka Sense of Knowledge on Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Ntwana,
Very
yeah,
interesting league.
very
Ntwana.
interesting league, Ntwana, and it's exciting. This is how football should be. This is how a league should be, whereby teams compete for different positions, for different sports. Like you said now, relegation. It's top 8. It's the CAF sport number 3.
Yeah, Confederation.
Confederation.
Because
and also
Champions League. That one
Yes.
is taken already. It's the Champions League. E1 and 2 Ntwana say
E1 and
obvious.
2.
Yeah.
it's,
Yeah, fun and the league is between the two.
yes.
Very.
So
To be honest.
it's exciting, Ntwana, because even the teams that you just mentioned now, Atazwana, AmaZulu, it's Kaizer Chiefs, it's Cocoon, it's Durban City.
Durban City.
Yes.
Yeah, but say good top
So
8
they're
and they've
all
been
competing for the number 3 spot.
yeah.
Which is for me exciting.
Very
as well.
exciting.
Whoever gets that number 3 spot would have achieved a lot this season. So it's very exciting this season. But lapha phezulu man, Sundowns ne Pirates.
Yeah, and the Chiefs now iphethe 2 games in hand Ntwana ne. Siyazi ukuthi is no akusama point. A game in hand is akusama point. But maybe into engakukhuthaza.
Mara le
Yeah,
nto
well-
isho ye 2 games in hand. They had 2 games in hand. Ibabeka ku 36 point and bayinile lo 2 games in hand.
Yeah, no, but even the man.
Namanje they still on 2 games in
Yeah,
hand.
because
Yes.
the Pirates just played 22 games. Obviously, Sundowns phela bedlala CAF Champions League. So in 21 games. So it's 2 games in hand
Yeah.
for Kaizer Chiefs. And right now, currently, our number 4, 36. So by 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So by go 42 points, Mabanga winner the game in hand. They are still very far because Sundowns in a 50 points, Pirates in a 51. So that's why I need 1 and 2 very
They are
high.
playing for number 3.
Yeah.
And Ntwana, just to conscientize abantu about the Kaizer Chiefs when the season started. Mina ngimangela abantu, they were panicking. Kaizer Chiefs this, Kaizer Chiefs that. And they even called the sporting director, Junior K, Robert Marawa, and they asked him questions. And I mean, if I was Kaizer Junior, I was going to tell the country, we are still within our mandate.
Yeah.
There was no need for Kaizer Chiefs
Le
to
panic le
to
yabeyenzeka
panic.
le.
Because Kaizer Chiefs, when the season started, they said they're still rebuilding. They never said they want to win the league. Even the supporters themselves, they never said they want to win the league because it was almost impossible for Kaizer Chiefs to say they want to win.
We
the
are
league.
challenging for a league this
You
season.
understand?
Yeah, ngiyakuthola,
So
ngiyakuthola.
the noise for Mina is unfortunate that we could not shoot during the time.
Yeah, it's
Because I wanted to say this thing, Uguti. There is relaxani. Yes, Kaizer Chiefs lost those games. Was CAF and a few games the league. Yeah, and Pirates and I think the Paris game.
Iyo kahle nje
Yiyo.
esuse yonke
But
lento leyo
phela
bafethu.
when you're from Kaizer Chiefs or Pirates, once you lose the derby, but it derby it either makes you or breaks you.
I think
So it almost broke the Kaizer Chiefs or the coaches, but the coaches are still within for me.
the coaches are still within, but if feeling yeah, it's just a feeling. I'm not saying
Yeah.
you're right. There's no trust anymore. That's my feeling, guys.
But
Ne-
where
I-
does
I-
it come from?
Yeah.
It comes from them losing against Pirates, and then during the week they played against some team from Devon. Who did they play against? Gonje and Koshliwe. But it comes from them losing those 2 games, and then people started panicking.
badlale nani?
They played Pirates, and then they went to lose
Yeah, baluse ku Richards Bay 1-0.
Richards Bay. Yes.
Yeah.
So that's where the panic came from. And for me, yes, it can't lose.
But they
2
lost
games.
3 games in a row.
Wasn't it 4-3? ne?
Yeah, they lost 2-0 to Stellenbosch. Pirates yababhaqabula 3
Yeah.
and then 1-0 to Richards Bay. 3 games
So
in a
people
row.
started feeling ukuthi hayi we are going down, but for mina zange ngiphenike ntwana, because ngithe mangibheka ama point with that 2 games in hand okhuluma ngayo ngathi mangale they are on 30. If they win these 2 games, they are still within a target yabo to reach maybe number 3. And if Kaizer Chiefs gets to number 3 or top 5, for me that would be a great achievement. But number 3, CAF champions, because we need them as the Kaizer Chiefs, as a big team. We need them to play Confederation or to play in Africa and represent our country.
So when a knowledge manje isizini le mayiphela is either iChiefs ingenile ku Confederation ku CAF by obviously finishing 3rd place. That's the only sport phela esisele u 3rd
That's
place
what
for
they must play
CAF, because Champions League seyihambile, there's no way. Wena as usenze uyaba guys band abajita the season baqhubeke next season wena senze.
No, I won't give them.
Why?
Eh?
Why?
Because I believe with the Kaizer Chiefs needs a bigger
Because
coach.
sorry mdala ngiyaxolisa. Because why uJune Sporting Director uthe imandate yala majita bayayazi is CAF Champions League
Yes.
football.
Yes.
Is it realistic for the Sporting Direct?
It's realistic.
I mean, I don't think so.
For I'm going to show Confederation.
Oh,
Uthe
CAF.
CAF.
Champions League.
No,
The
no, I
Sporting
think-
Director said
I think he
CAF
wanted to say
Champions League
Africa.
football. But abanye abantu ne bathini wena Kelezo? Abanye abantu bathi maybe bekafuna ukuthi CAF Confederation.
Yes, no, I think he wanted to say that.
Uyangithola. No, abanye abantu basho.
Yeah.
But when you listen to him, even Nago Robert, he did it, he said CAF Champions League football. That
but-
is the mandate. Shoot uthe kubo. This year sifuna iCAF. So mina ngithi I think it
Yeah,
was
that
not,
one is not.
for me personal. But firstly, let me say this when I'm knowledge now we kill it. First, let me say this. I applaud the Sporting Director to be ambitious.
Yeah.
That's very positive. To be ambitious, but is it real? Is it realistic? That mandate? Personally, I don't think so. Big manager manje, but Tina, let's get into the top 8 because we were out of the top 8, and then push for respectable and trainer for this season while we are building, and then see ukuthi sigcine kuphi this season. Then next season, then we can now add with, hey, guys, we need Champions League.
Yeah.
Mina ngiyibona kanjalo.
Okay, but
Ngibona ngathi it's too heavy.
he really
Ngibona ngathi
meant,
it's too heavy this month.
if he really meant,
But it's good.
the 2
Ukuthi
positions.
Positive or ambitious. We need to recognize that also.
Yeah, but if he really meant the 2 positions, which is number 1 and number 2, I think that is not realistic. But for me, I think he wanted to say number 3, which is Confederation.
Champions League. Champions League.
Yeah, that's what I think he
Okay,
meant,
yeah, no, yeah,
which
sure.
is a realistic position that they can achieve this season.
Yeah, because nasekapini baphumile.
Yeah.
Sharp asidlule ntwana. Let's check uAtazwane mfethu. Yazi uAtazwane number 3 out yami. Number 3 played 22 games, 37 points. I think u-Ata I deserve recognition. I think he's doing something laphayana ne-Amazulu ntwana and naye obviously mase kuso, I mean between i-Amazulu, i-Kaizer Chiefs, i-Durban City, nesikhukhune which is number 6 na 34 points. I think those are the teams for me ezilwela i-CAF number 3. Let's put it that way. So what's your take ngo-Ata ntwana umsebenzi wakhe nawe as a coach? And udlala ibhola elimnandi futhi, they play good football futhi, they don't just win ugly nje, but they also play some quality football.
I believe in Atazwane, and because he's not playing with big name players.
Yeah.
And that's where you can see a good coach.
A good coach.
Phela lapho you are coaching game manje lapho.
Yeah, ngiyakubamba.
With the bigger teams, you manage egos. You are more of a manager. You manage egos, you manage 1, 2, 3, ngithola.
Yeah.
Because kuba unga coach Mamelodi Sundowns manje ngikuthathe ngitambo coach. Ube na yonke material, but because of you cannot manage egos, you cannot manage squad. Awusazi ukuthi ngidlalise lo ngingamdlalisi lo akubheke kabi.
Ngoba lo mangamdlalisi yakwata so usaba lo ngiyakubamba.
That's the big challenge we have, my coach, the big teams.
With the top players.
Yes, that is why I say to you, njengoba bongibuza nge-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi do I keep the 2 coaches if they achieve number 3, and I said no, because Kaizer Chiefs needs a bigger coach, someone who would be able to manage those players, someone who can say I can put Umabue on the bench. Intimidate. Players can intimidate you. Big name players.
Yeah, no.
They've
That's
got
very
egos.
true. Yeah.
Ukubheka kabi uthukwe vele nawe. Usabe ndoda nokuthi manje.
Yeah.
Gcina somfaka even though you know ukuthi the other players doing well, but because le kubheke kabi yakhuluma nabo bani. So uyayifaka because yangithola. But you need to be able to manage that. But with Abo Atazwane, you're coaching players that still wants to make a name for themselves.
Oh, ngiyakuthola. Oh yeah. So hunger is more
hungry. So you need to coach those players.
Ngiyakubamba.
But they say new in the game. But they say nama mistakes are bad. So Abo Atazwane, that's where you see what they can coach. They can coach. They are coaches. So big ups to him for what he has achieved this season.
And then, obviously, Orlando Pirates also just in let's touch base, crushing TS 6, and I think Pirates after they scored 6 or 5, they had more opportunities, because I was doing that game SAPC. They had more opportunity to even go to 8, 10, but it was too easy. We has Masin leader 5, none. Kunala melupase. Melupase ulo uthathe result ngidribule. So I think those but what I liked about the last game in Orlando Pirates mdlalo, it's they drew against Siwelele, and who was the man of the match? It was Ukos, who got the call-up 14 saves in that game. And then what the coach said in the post-match interview against the TS Galas, Ute yazin, si happy. Ute, I made sure after the disappointing draw, Monday, I make my players to be happy, and they are happy. And Washuguti, obviously is disappointed in finishing. They were not clinical, and they came and they were very clinical, so they've improved. So we have to give credit. That's very good, because when they show Uguti, they forget about that result as soon as possible. But for mina is we are happy. That's what they say. He says we are happy, and the team is happy, and the whole week we've been happy going towards that TS Galaxy. It's good to see Orlando Pirates scoring, because they've only Badluli Sundowns 3 goals. They're sitting on 40 goals this season. Is Sundowns 37. And then obviously they've got better defensive trainer record, 9 goals considered, 11 is Sundowns. Madam Dada, I see again. ngicela siyehle ntwana yami siye lapha
Mara
yana
ntwana before usuka lapho ntwana kulontuzana because they dropped points against Isiwelele. And at this stage of the league manje where we are, do you think people should press panic buttons? Do you think Sundowns will win all their games, or do you think Uguti Pirates they must just continue? Sundowns will also falter somewhere.
They must just focus on their game, take one game at a time, the way benza ngakhona, and forget about ukuthi kwenzakalani ngale, because labaya baqale very slow because of the new players abo Resino, abo Santos, but manje I can tell you for free ziyahamba lezi zinto. Hayi man kancane bafethu, hayi labafana bayahamba ntona.
South American.
And basibonisa ne-level ye-technique guys ukuthi ihluke kangakanani.
Shy pass leza.
Ntwana, they don't make 2 touches if I idingakala. And Tina, i-problem yethu enkulu nje general in South Africa, we like that extra touch.
Yeah.
Engafuneki bese kuyavala. So labafana bahlala kanti bayajima uthiyama. No simnandi kakhulu. So iPirates ayichubeke ifocus emagame wayo. But if ungangibuza mina ukuthi both teams do I think these 9 games ezisele bangaba bazowawina wonke. I think both teams basazo drop somehow. It's the only team engeke ezoconsider less, ezodropa less. I think yezoba ne chance to win, but I don't think they will win all their 9 games. Both teams. It's my opinion. No. Because remember, playing against, for example, also a team like Imakes, Obetu is fighting for their lives. Bangakushange 1-0 enye nje Tom.
Yeah.
At a crucial space udinga leyo 3 games in uyangifrustana. So nabo ba dangerous la matima lawa alwelile ba dangerous at this time of the season. But asiye kuwe ntwana unless Imakesi ya struggle 14 points, but yazi mfana kunento engishaya, you know ke lethu ukuthi to save your status se league you need 30 points guaranteed. Umnani guys, this season I don't know, from number 7 kuPolokwane City ukuyehla number 8 Golden Arrows. Okay, Golden Arrows young team, there's only I think 3 players, one at 27 and then the goalkeeper, the rest 22, 19, 18 hayi intwana and ziyeza leza intwana so sharp. But from number 7 ntwana Polokwane City na 29 ukuyehla until Imakesi nga 14. Joke, teams are struggling to get to 30 points, guys, and for me that's my worry. From number 7 Mdlala, which means from number 7 until
anyone can go to playoffs.
Thank you. No one is safe. That's half of a table, bruh. They can't get to 30 points.
Just as, yeah, it's yeah.
It's and I don't know which league here too. Yes, Pirates ni Sundowns zi head to head, but I don't know which generally our league here improve. Yeah, I'm not talking about Pirates and Sundowns. Ukuthi sharp by push out. General. I think we need to improve. We need to improve a lot because fethu kunama team la Stellenbosch isicale siyapick up anyana manje seba ku number 9 nabo bacale very slow. They've been there sitting on number 15, 14 for a very long time.
And it's big up to Kevin Hunt.
Kevin Hunt, yes, young talk. But the funny part is a team number 10, Sweden 26 points as currently. Yes, we are losing 2 games in a row. Ne? But le team now manje aphansi na wasahleli lapha abafika ku30 akazori ngiyangithola nje. How can you lose 2 games in a row but you still stay in the same and nalaba abakudluli
and bayona Imakesi if they can win 2 games they are out.
No ngisho kanjalo yeah nabo ayikuthi vele like especially man you know why? It's because number 15 until like abakho abayivulanga leya gap because they had so much opportunity to ukuthi by now Imakesi vele bekumele ukuthi maybe win boma 5 games ukuthi izisuke manje Imakesi nayo ku 14 points 14 maba win abathi 17 ne ne and then unumber iOBT ku 18 17 18 uyabona ukuthi they are back nabo manje they have opportunity yokuthi banga save status zabo. So our league needs to improve, man. Yeah. No. It's good for Pirates and Lynn, but generally.
Would you say Imakesi yahamba straight?
not the sebanayo i-chance because of le reason sisho laba abangaphezulu abasebenzisayo
Abayenzi.
i-chance yabo yes ile nto engisho sebanayo i-chance ukuthi
So
bangasurvive
currently we cannot say ubani uhamba straight ngamba straight.
yeah currently I say but if you ask me a month ago I will say Magezi.
Yeah.
Yangithola ne if you ask me a month ngizothi Magezi but wena what's your yiphi team nje now nje generally kuwo wonke la beside iPirates neSundowns untwana nje for wena nje mhlambe one interest nje mhlambe ngayo the way badlala ngakhona
Richards Bay.
oh okay yeah
Richards Bay, I don't think they need to be where they are.
because baku number 12 23 points cabanga i30 ibheki kude kanjani le nto engisho
Richards Bay they have some good players, good coaches. Papi Zotwane is there as well.
yeah
I've seen the way they play, man. They play some nice football, and they are positive. Whether they play against bigger teams, they don't play low block and we stay. And when they can play low block, but when they have the ball, they want to play now. So of which is something that is positive for me. It's a team that I can watch. But they are nice on the eyes. Not a team which was Olala Mawababugele. So they are a very interesting team for me. And if they push, I think Bangangena could top 8 if they believe in themselves.
Okay lastly nami singizoyivala the other team nje mina enye engifuna nje ukuyithasha yile konje yini le i-TS Galaxy le ku semi-final ne i-Nedbank Cup yini
Yeah, TS Galaxy.
before league they've been losing before this league they've been losing at some point they've lost they haven't won in 5 games but they are doing very well lo mfana lo ubani because yeah that coach Watwatvic
Yeah.
uthe
Zagovic.
yeah uthe lente cup I disturb they can't
Concentrate maybe.
concentrate league they are so poor 5 they bagcina ukuwina
6 games
last year
manje.
bagcina ukuwina somewhere last year ngaboma October cabanga ukuwina a league game
Mara when if let's say they survive and they still go and win the Nedbank Cup, would you say they would have had a good season or a bad season?
yeah if they can win the cup because izobanikeza opportunity angisho yokudlala futhi Africa
Yeah.
and they've won this cup before we understand so I think mina I can say no it's not a bad season
Mina Ntwana, if I'm a
It
coach,
won't be a bad season
Mina,
if-
if I'm a coach there, I would push for the Nedbank Cup
okay
and try to save status the team. But my focus would be on the cup because it's only 2 games away.
yeah man
Ngwini semi-final, final, ngiphethe cup. Ngapha maybe even if I can come number 12, but I would fight for number 8, obviously. But
top 8
even if I save status the team, that's good enough. But I have a cup. Ngimnandi achieve as a coach.
because now but they're not a bad team they play pretty
Yeah.
good football it's just
And it's
that
a team that we need in the league. Why I say this because it's a team that has produced so many players in recent years.
like
Undamane,
oh yeah
Abo Ditshejane. Abo Msimango, they've produced a lot of players in TS Galaxy, Imonga Ibheka. So it's a team, Abo Obas, the national team player, Abo Kabini. They've produced a lot of players. So it's a team.
no I was not aware
Yeah, it's a team that
yeah.
produces players for the national team, and for me, those teams deserve to be in the PSL. So Team Suga save his status and fair to and keep on producing players for South Africa.
Hi. Danko Bafetu. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. As a Jabu Mahlang and Tiski Shandis, shuffling Tiski ringers Bafetu, Abesis ringela nje casual in the outjam, sis ringela nge tackle race, spegana la papansi, imagesi, ukuthi ayi sene opportunity, nje the way leaking akhona manje nama point abanawo njoba si breakile down earlier, sebanayo, I'm sure sebanayo believe nabo ukuthi hayi guys manje singa survive uyabona I reality iyasinikeza ukuthi we can be able to survive if we win two games nje ezilandelayo and you hope for one lose kulaba abaphezulu.
Yeah.
They'll be having 17 points and njengoba ngishilo ukuthi i-orbit ku 18 points, which is ihleli ku number 15. So I think they still, yeah, I think they banayo that maybe manje motivation with our guys save the status, you know. And also the top 8 finish also is very interesting to see lapha sizobona ukuthi yophela kanjani between Golden Arrows iyo manje ku number 8 Stellenbosch. They managed now to get their mojo back, you know. They are winning manje. That's why sebakwazile ukukhuphuka to number 9, because they were struggling nabo season mayicala. And I think it's because of also that CAF engagement yokuhamba, because they don't have a depth in terms of their squad. Bafethu Betway Premiership iyashisa. May the best team win, bafethu. But right now it's safe to say it's between Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns
Injalo.
league. Don't forget again to share, subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates. This is Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis. Bekuyo bafete ring us besihlafuna ngeBetway Premiership. Very exciting season, and we hope that we'll have many more seasons, as you saw, with more teams, you know, actually fighting to win the league instead of having only two teams. Danko bafethu, siyabonga, sonibona next time. Showcase,
Subscribe, man.
please.
Saqela. Danko.